In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order Domino's pizza and train. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily order Domino's pizza while in a train in India. So, to get this done, you will have to use the e-catering IRCTC website or the mobile app. So look for ecatering.irctc.co.in on a web browser. So once you are here, you will be able to browse through most brands. You can browse through food items or simply find Domino's. So if you scroll down, you will find order from the best brands, including Domino's Pizza. So you tap here and you will be redirected to a page where you can choose the specific item that you want to order. So they have pizza, garlic bread, lava cake, burger, pizza, taco. And if you scroll down, you will see the main locations here. They will be sorted by ratings, so you can choose any of these depending on your current location. It will load, and now you can browse through the actual items. Every time that you want to add an item, you will tap on the add option right below it. You can also customize these items, like the pizzas for example, but you will notice that every time that you tap add or customize, you will have to enter your PNR. Now sadly, I don't have one to demonstrate this process with fully in this video, but if you do, just enter it here and you will be able to proceed. You can go all the way to checkout where you can choose from a variety of payment methods to get this done, and it will be delivered to you according to the station that you selected. As you can see, there are plenty of options, so I'm just scrolling down to showcase how many there are. And you can choose any of these to see the details, all of the options that they have, and everything will be delivered to you as soon as you place your order. So do it through the eCatering IRCTC website or through the mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to order Domino's Pizza and Train. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.